Hello dear friends, this video is about the tools and the panel on the left side of the timeline. The first thing that can be seen are the source control buttons, which are marked with a red border. The main function of these buttons is to control the entry of files from media pool to the timeline. For example, we can choose the file to which track in the timeline will be added. Another use is to determine whether to insert video, audio, or both for a file into the timeline. For this, we should turn off the option we don't want. For example, here we only want the video and turn off the source control for the audio. For more details, see the video about the source control button. Its link is in the description. Here you can find out how many clips there are in that track of the timeline. There are 3 files in video 1 track and there are no clip in video 2. This tool is not available in the audio section. The number that can be seen next to the audio tracks shows the number of audio channels. For example, here audio 1 track has 2 channels and stereo sound. By clicking on the name of each track, you can rename it. This is very useful in large projects. You can also change its color by right-click on each track. Prevent unwanted changes by locking each track with this tool. A track that is locked cannot be edited and you cannot add a new file to it or delete a file from it. As you know, with the up and down keys on the keyboard, you can go to the beginning and end of the files in the timeline. By using this button, you can turn this feature on or off for that track. This tool is very useful in big projects. You can enable or disable a track using this tool. To do it in the audio section, you can use the mute button. Make sure to enable the tracks you want before exporting and rendering the project. As you can see, the solo button is only in the audio section. Only the audio in the track or tracks that solo is active will be played, and other tracks will be muted. For more information about solo, watch the related video. Its link is in the description. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Goodbye.